Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to practically withdraw your money from Binance to any other app of your choice, but today we are going to use Bybit. Okay, so make sure you do have a verified Bybit account and navigate yourself to the Bybit asset and click on deposits. Okay, if you click on deposit, you will see this. Okay, I've showed you how to copy your wallet address before. So we'll go to Binance and do same thing. Okay, you will come to Binance as well, assets, go to your sports, any other wallet you want to use, or you go to your funding and just click on withdraw. Because from Binance we are going to withdraw. Click on send via crypto as I showed you earlier. So the wallet copied from the Bybit will be pasted on the wallet address. You have seen that. Then you're going to choose the network, which I always ask you to do, TRC20. Then we're going to impute the amount, which is 50.722. So I told you that there's going to be charges, so you receive 49.7239 USDT. Okay, so all you just need to do now is to make sure you have an available security verification network. So but you see, you're going to receive 0.0037143 USDT in BTC equivalent. Okay, on this now we're sending from the funding wallet to spot wallet. The spot wallet is on the Bybit, while the funding wallet here is on the Binance. Okay, so do this now before on the 9th. Nigeria is going to shut down Binance completely. Okay, so you click on withdraw confirm. If you click on withdraw confirm, something of this nature will pop up. It will show you exactly what you're going to receive. Okay, I'm going to receive 49.723978. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to click on confirm. If you click on confirm, there's going to be a security issue for you to complete. Okay, I'm doing this practically because of those that said no, it's not working. Okay, all right, so use your passkey. Mine was my fingerprint, but it seems it's not going to pick, so I will tap to verify. I'm tapping, so it won't pick, so I will change my verification to email. Okay, so that it can be verified quickly. Okay, so you can see it's still not picking up. So, and the verification phase is very important. You can withdraw the fund without completing the verification phase. Okay, so I will change my mode of verification from the fingerprint to email. Okay, so I will do that now. I've changed that. So I will go to my email, copy the code, paste it here, and click on submit. After doing that, see, email verification was successful. So I have clicked on that. You can see withdrawal processing 50.7, but I'm going to receive 49.7. Okay, so we're still processing. Going back to my Bybit to see, this is the current amount that I have, 3.330 something, right? Check, you see the current amount that I have here, 337.9, and I'm withdrawing 47. You see, okay, I'm withdrawing 47. Let's see, in a few seconds my money will be here. Let's wait for the processing on Binance to be completed. You can see it's completed and my money is finally here. So it is done practically on how you can withdraw from Binance to Bybit, and you can use these same processes